How many 4-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 3 without repetition of digits? If you are a novice aspirant, the first thought that will come to your mind is you will ignore this condition. Let's say you don't have much idea about P and C, you will ignore this condition. You will be thinking like this: 4-digit numbers divisible by 3. So you will start from here. First 4-digit number is 1000 and it goes on till 9999. And first 4-digit number is divisible by 3 is 1002 and last 4-digit number divisible by 3 is 9999. Fine. Now, how many numbers between these are basically divisible by 3? So every third number will be divisible by 3. So how many numbers are there from 1002 to 9999? There are 8997 numbers, and every third number is divisible by 3. So this by 3 plus 1 is coming out to be 3000. So you will mark the answer as 3000. 3000 numbers are there which are 4-digit numbers and divisible by 3. But you have ignored this condition. If you answered as 3000, you have ignored this condition without repetition of digits. In this 3000, there will be numbers like this, where repetition is there and where without repetition is counted. Repetition numbers like 3000, numbers like 6000, numbers like 1113, numbers like 1233, numbers like 2331. All these type of numbers you have counted in 3000. Okay, where more than one digit is repeated, but our condition strictly mentions that there is no repetition of digits, means without repetition of digits. I mean, we need only this type of numbers. Okay, where without repetition I mean numbers like, I can say 1245, or I can say 24176. No, this is 3417. 3417. Okay, or you can say numbers like 2571. This type of numbers where repetition is not there, repetition of digits is not there, and it's a 4-digit number and divisible by 3. Okay, so we only need this type of numbers. That is why the question becomes difficult. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this question. See, we have basically digits from 0 to 9. Total 10 digits we have, and with respect to 3 we can divide them into 3 groups. These 10 digits we can divide into 3 groups, like 3k, 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2. These 3 type of numbers with respect to division by 3. 3k means what? 3k basically means the numbers which are the digits which are multiple of 3. I mean numbers digits like 0369. These are multiples of 3. Or 3k plus 1. 3k plus 1 basically means digits which give a remainder of 1 when divided by 3, like 1 4 7, right? And 3k plus 2 basically means digits which give a remainder of 2 when divided by 3. I mean numbers like 2 5 and 8, right? Now let's start to form numbers, 4-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 without repetition of digits. So I can say case 1. Case 1 is where all the 4 digits are of form 3k. Okay, where all 4 digits are of 3k. So numbers like this, I will select the digits from 0369 because they are 3k type of digits. So I can form numbers from this like this, 03069, right? 3069. I can also form numbers like 6930, right? This type of numbers I can form. So how many such numbers? Okay, I know 0 cannot be at the first digit. If 0 remains at the first digit, then the number is a 3-digit number. Okay, so how many such numbers I can form? First place can be filled in 3 ways, either 3 or 6 or 9. Second place can be filled in 3 ways. Why 3 ways? Because the digit that I used in the first place cannot be used in the second place, because without repetition of digits. But 0 can be used in the second place, so 3 ways. Likewise, third place in 2 ways, fourth place in only 1 way. Total 18 such numbers. Fine. Now moving to case 2. Case 2 is when one number is of form 3k and rest 3 numbers are of form 3k plus 1. Okay. When one number is of form 3k and rest 3 numbers are of form 3k plus 1, then also the 4-digit number is a multiple of 3, because you add this 3k plus 1 plus 3k plus 1 plus 3k plus 1, right? This becomes 9k plus 3 plus 3k. So if you take 3k common, it is divisible by 3. Now how many such numbers are there? In case of 3k, we have 0, 3, 6, 9. So 0 is included. Wherever in permutation combination you have 0, you just make 2 cases. Okay, you just make 2 cases. Okay, so first case is when 0 is present, second case is when 0 is not present. So when 0 is present, these 3 numbers 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, we have 3 numbers. 3 numbers can be selected in. From this only one number is selected as 0, and from this 3k plus 1 we select 3 numbers in 3 ways. So now total they can be arranged in total 18 ways. Why 18 ways? Because 0 is included. First place cannot be 0, so this many type of arrangements. So this is total 18. When 0 is not included, then the numbers of form 3k are 3, 6 and 9, right? And other 3 numbers are of form 3k plus 1. So 3c1 into 3c3 into 24, right? This is coming out to be 3. This is 3 into 24, this is 72, right? Now case 3. Case 3 is what? Case 3 is 3k and 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2, right? When one number is of form 3k and other 3 are of form 3k plus 2. How many such numbers are there? Whenever there is 3k includes 0 cases, so make one case for 0 and other for non-zero. So when 0 is present, again it will be 18 ways, right? And when 0 is not present, it will be 72 ways, like I have done above. Okay, here similar fashion you have to arrange. Now moving to next case. Next case is a form, I can say, this is case 4. Okay, when 2 numbers are of form 3k plus 1 and 2 numbers are of form 3k plus 2. 2 numbers are of form 3k plus 1 and 2 numbers are of form 3k plus 2. Okay, so 3k plus 1 numbers are what? Basically 1, 4, 7, and 3k plus 2 numbers are 2, 5 and 8. Okay, so we have to form a 4-digit number where 4-digit number divisible by 3, where 2 digits are of form 3k plus 1 and 2 digits are form 3k plus 2. So select 3k plus 1 digits. 3 digits are there which are of form 3k plus 1. I select 2 digits in how many ways? 3c2 ways. Now 3 digits are form 3k plus 2. I will select 2 in 3c2 ways. Now selection part is done. This is taking care of the selection part. They can be arranged in 24 ways because all 4 digits are distinct. So this is coming out to be 24 into 9. This is 216. Fine. Now moving to case 5. Case 5. When 2 digits are of form 3k and other 2 digits are of form 3k plus 1 and 3k plus 2. Okay. Now wherever 3k is arising, I know 3k includes cases where 0 is present. 3k numbers are what? 3k numbers are 0, 3, 6, 9. These are 3k numbers. Okay, here 0 is present, so make one case for 0. When 0 is present, okay, in that case I can select other 3k in 3 ways, right? 0 is coming means only one way I can select 0. Now 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, 3 numbers are here, so I can select in 3c1 ways. 3k plus 2 I can select in again 3c1 ways. Now this is the selection part, guys. Selection part. Now they can be arranged in how many ways? In 18 ways. Fine. Now this is coming out to be 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27. So 27 into 18. This is how much? This is 486, right? Now other case is there when 0 is, this is case where 0 is present, okay, and other cases where 0 is not present. In that case, first the 2 digits of 3k can be selected from this 3, either 336 or 69 or 93. Okay, so total 3 ways, right? But 0 is not present in this case. Okay, into 3k plus 1 numbers I can select in 3c1 ways. 3k plus 2 numbers I can select in 3c1 ways. Guys, this case basically first the two numbers I will select from 3k types. So as 0 is not present, so numbers can either be 36 or 69 or 93, right? So this is done. Then 3c1 represents one digit from 3k plus 1 type. This 3c1 represents one digit of type 3k plus 2. Now this is the selection part. Now I have to arrange, as all 4 digits are distinct, so I'll arrange them in 24 ways. They can be arranged in 24 ways. So this is how much? 3 into 3, 9, 27. 27 into 24. This is 648, right? So how many such numbers are there? 648 plus 486 plus 216 plus plus we found other numbers are 72 plus 18 plus 72 plus 18 plus 18. This is coming out to be 1548. Okay, this is the final answer. The question is difficult, but this is important to develop your understanding. Okay, this might not be coming in any exam, but this is very essential to develop your clarity of thought and developing your approach in permutation combination. Thank you so much for watching.